area entrance is open. 32 Thomas, units 23.
Hey.
Of course, he's inside now.
Okay. So what's going on? Y'all are separated, or what's the deal?
We have filed for divorce.
Okay.
Living in the same house. It's hell on earth, as you can imagine.
Okay.
But anyway, woke up this morning. We have travel plans to leave.
Mhm.
And he's insisting that I don't go.
Okay.
And then I have my keys. He moves me out of the way, starts trying to unload my car. Tells me he owns the car, he owns the rights to it. Just got super aggressive, and that's when I called immediately, because he's been physical before, and I'm just not doing that.
So are you just wanting to leave, or is he supposed to be going with you?
Yeah, we're supposed to be going with our kids.
Okay. All right.
So I don't know that's what I was asking dispatch, like what y'all can do if there's even, but of course now he's inside acting.
I mean, I don't know what it is that you want us to do. I mean, if y'all have filed for divorce and y'all are going on a vacation, other than telling him he needs to calm down, I don't personally recommend you go on a vacation if there's an issue like that and y'all have filed for divorce.
Right.
I mean, it's obviously a hostile situation.
Right.
So is there a way that you can go without him, or? I mean, the best thing, what we're going to do is tell y'all that y'all need to separate.
Right.
I mean, has he put his hands on you that, have y'all been physically aggressive today? I mean.
No, just besides him moving me out of the way of my car to get to it.
Okay, what do you mean he moved you out of the way?
Like pushed me out of the way so he could get to my car and start unloading it.
Okay. We're going to need to talk to him then. Well, until he comes out here and decides to show out. So I don't know what's going to happen with that.
You familiar with her?
Nope.
Familiar with her? Somebody was almost died sleeping in the house. 11 weeks.
This house?
Yeah.
Before they realized it?
Yeah.
What in the hell? Why are you filed for divorce and going to go on vacation together? I mean, that's not something that we can work out for you. I mean, because we're going to tell you to separate. Okay, so what's going on this morning?
So for the last 3 weeks, maybe longer, she's had her couples trip planned with her boyfriend to go to Key West.
Okay, but she just said you're going.
That was to Key West.
But they don't.
I'm taking my kids, my 3 boys, to the Bahamas this morning.
Our kids.
Our kids. Yesterday, she sent a message saying that she's going to change her plans and now get on the airplane with me and the kids to go to the Bahamas.
But I own too,
And
by the
when we
way.
land, she's going to go to her boyfriend.
Elsewhere.
And me and the kids are going to our house. And I've told her I'm not supporting that. And you're not getting on the airplane. That can mess with the kids' heads. And it's just something we're not going to do. Well, I own 50% of an airplane. She, on paper, owns 25 of that. And majority owner, the other 50% owner, and myself are both in agreement to not have her on the airplane. So 75% says, we don't want you on the plane.
That doesn't mean you get aggressive, push me out of the way, start unloading my car.
Push you out of the way.
Yes, at the back of the car.
Okay, Lindsay, I did not push you or anything.
He doesn't want me to go.
I raised the back to grab my kids' suitcases. So
With a locked car.
So we could leave. That's all it is.
Okay. I'm going to tell you both, like I told you a minute ago, y'all are filed for divorce, okay? in situations like this, the best thing that we always recommend is y'all separate. Don't just separate from each other. You don't need to be going on vacation together if you file for divorce and it's obviously a volatile situation.
That's
Right.
That, I mean, I don't know how else to put it other than that, okay? As far as the pushing and shoving, say Georgia advises that you put your hands on each other, that is an act of simple assault, and you can be arrested on that for family violence, okay? You're saying you did, he's saying you didn't. So I got,
if you want
I
to,
can't sit here. It's a he said, she said situation. We run into it all the time.
you
So
can
what's
ask
gonna,
all of the people that I know if I'm an aggressive or abusive person.
You want me to show them the photos?
okay, so here's what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna generate a report that we were out here and that we made contact with the both of you. I'm gonna generate a report that states you said he physically moved you away from the
Yes.
vehicle by pushing you away from the vehicle. You say, I didn't do that. I opened the back hatch of the vehicle, got suitcases out.
Suitcase, and she stepped in front saying you're not grabbing them and moved me out of the way.
Exactly. And
I'm gonna move you, Robert, for
I
God's sake.
that we're not going to go back and forth. That's how we're going to do that. My next, I mean, I can't tell her she can't go on vacation with you.
I
Okay,
understand that.
it's marital property. That's that.
The pilot already said
Okay,
it's too late to even put her on
it's
the
all
list.
gonna all be, that's all gonna be civil issues. I can't stop her. I can't say you can't go wherever the heck it is you want to go. I can't tell you. You can tell. That has nothing to do with what we're doing here. We're here because of acts of violence, to calm the situation. That's what we're here to do. Okay. I can't. I can't control y'all going on vacation. I don't recommend going on vacation together, but that's just my personal.
I agree with
It's
that.
just
I mean,
an
that's-
hour on an airplane, just
Okay.
with our kids.
Do you have any identification on you?
I do.
Okay, can I get that, please? Do you have your ID on you?
I do.
Mr. Shiver, what's your phone number?
229
Uh-huh.
221 7579.
221, what was it, 75?
7579. Now, since I own this vehicle and it's solely in my name,
It's marital property right now. She still has access to
okay,
it.
I understand she has access to it, but can I not get my kids' suitcases out of the back?
Yes.
You can get your children's property
That's
out
what I
of it.
thought.
So he can get the kids' stuff out of my car.
It's marital property.
Thank you.
And I don't have any paperwork saying that he's not allowed access to the children's property.
He's just not able to move me out of the way to get it. Right.
Again, he said, she said.
I'm still going, Robert, so you can take.
Pilot already said, Lindsay, that it's too late to put you on. And that he has to pick up the other owner after he drops us, so we can't be late.
334 714 2963.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you.
About what time this morning did all this start?
7 a.m.
So you're supposed to be going to the.
She was supposed to be going to Key West and canceled.
Well aware. I text the pilot. Everybody knew it.
Okay.
He's just being extremely difficult. Which, that's nothing freaking new.
Okay, so are you leaving now?
I have to go get my kids.
Okay, all right.
There's two that are at other places.
Okay, all right. Like I said, my only recommendation for you is that y'all just
Well,
separate.
it's always just going to be a he said, she said.
I mean, you get video footage, you have surveillance cameras, you have something that I can look at and say, yes, he put his hands on you. I mean, you know, we have an independent witness that's non-biased. I mean, you know, something, other statements. But right now I have you and him, and, you know, he's saying one thing, you're saying another, you know. I mean, if it's this type of situation, y'all just need to separate. I mean, just don't be around each other if it's going to be like this.
But how do we do that with 3 kids?
All right, where are you at? Are you at the cops?
So now I'm able to get my kids stuff back out of the vehicle.
Okay, why are we doing this though? Why do you need to do that?
Well, because he's taken my kids.
So we're gonna go back and so we're gonna stand here while y'all go back and forth moving suitcases back and
But
forth
that's what I'm
between
saying,
cars.
So that's what's just happened.
If that's what you feel like you need to do, then by all means do it. But you understand it's making the situation worse, and you're doing it in front of the children now. I don't.
Our plans have been the same for weeks. I now have to go pick up our other two kids.
I just told her I was going to do that.
Lennon just called me and said we can get it.
Okay. Well, I'll go get Grayson.
I can pick him up.
I just said I'm going to get Grayson,
You heard me say the pilot said it's too late to
and
add
I'm
him.
going to get Grayson.
And where is he going? Because I need to get him so I can go to the airport.
We're just not.
I'm trying to take all three boys, which is what I've had planned. I'm asking where you take them because I need to pick them up, and I can just leave straight from
Okay,
there.
I'll
We're
bring him
temple.
to you, Robert.
Where is he right now?
Okay.
Is he at Chayton's house?
No.
Whose house is he at?
Put Easton's house.
I can pick him up on the way out. I'll go get Landon, pick him up.
So you're free to go.
I'm doing what I had planned during the time.
Well, at least there's a record of it.
It's fine. I'm okay with that.
Okay, wait right here. I got to get you both case number. Okay. Five seven. I'm sorry. Case number and times first out loud. Simple. Yes. The mugginess. This is your case number 2023-27264. There's information in here if you need anything else. Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'll document. I mean, I got to document both sides. It is what it is. I'm going to generate a miscellaneous family violence report. This is your case number, the 2023-27264. If you have any questions, you can call to the Justice Center and speak to an officer. So.
You know Chris is a part of it.
Mhm.
This is her partner.
Okay. All right.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Y'all have a better day. Money. Hmm. Huh? Yeah, that's fine.